Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Placement Guidance. Today I have come up with off-campus opportunity for 2021 batch Sofra Styria Off-Campus Recruitment Drive 2021. So today I will tell you the step-by-step process of filling the Sofra Styria form. For more off-campus opportunities, subscribe my channel and like the video so that I get motivation for making more videos. And for placement material, you can join my Telegram channel given in the description below. So, this is the Sofra Styria Off-Campus Drive 2021 job description. Job title is of software developer and the job location are three, that is Noida, Bangalore and Chennai. The salary for this is 6 LPA plus and the experience is of freshers 2021 batch. Eligibility criteria for this job is degree, 3 degrees can apply, BTech, CS, BTech ID and MCA with science graduation fresher can apply. And in 10th and 12th, the percentage should be above 70 or above 70% and minimum 60% in graduation or post graduation. And there should be no active backlogs and should not have more than 2 years of gap in the academic career. So now we will see the steps for filling the form. They have given three forms for three different locations. Like for Noida, there is a different form, and for Bangalore, there is different form, and for Chennai, there is different form. So I will put all the three links in the description below, so you can apply to any of your choice. So suppose I will be showing you for the Noida location. So click on the apply for job. Like you are new user for this, so click on new user and accept the privacy agreement. And then give any username. Suppose I will give Suresh, suppose 78 username, and password you can give any. And then give email address, like suppose and then click on, after filling all the details, click on register. After register, you will find out that if you want to sign out or you want to continue, so click on OK for continue. After that, you will get this view. So now if you want to upload the resume, click on I want to upload resume. Otherwise, click on I do not want to upload a resume. So suppose if I have clicked on I do not, but you will click on that I want to upload a resume, and then choose a file from here, and then attach the resume here, and then click on save and continue. After, you will get the personal detail. So write your first name here, like suppose Suresh. Country you can select, you have select India. And after that you have to select state. Suppose state you have select Chandigarh, and then you have to select the region. After selecting this, here write your last name, suppose Gupta, and select date of birth from here, and from there you can change the year. Like suppose I have select 1999 and month April only, and suppose 18th April 1999. And then you can write your number here, like suppose write your number here, and then you have to select the total work experience. If you are fresher, select 0 to 1. Okay, so this is for a 2021, so you have to select only 0 to 1 year of experience. And in application origin, you can select any that from where you have get this form, so you can select on other. And you don't, if you want to, if you are working, if you are currently working in any company, you can write the notice period, salary or current employee of which company you are of current employee. And for the highest degree, suppose you are of you are BTech aspirant, so select BTech, and from here select your primary skills. Suppose suppose you know accounts payable, so select all the skills that you have and then click on save and continue. After that you will get an option for attach document, so you can attach the resume from here. Okay, I will show you. Choose a file from here, from your document. Then attach your resume here, and after that click on save and continue. If you want to receive a notification after submitting this form, so you clicked on this, that send an email notification whenever a new position. If you want other updates also, you can click here and click on save and continue. After that all your details that you have filled will come here, and after that you can submit. And after submitting this form you will get one email that you have successfully registered. So that you have successfully registered. Thank you. Hope you like the video.